Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from Namaste Fragrance. Today we are going to look at these 4 beauties here, okay, which I recently purchased. These ones. So, okay, today is just going to be a first impressions video. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first we are going to look at Silver Scent Intense from the House of Bogart. This is a blind buy for me. Okay, so I first heard about Bogart fragrances thanks to Joy Amin, a fellow YouTuber. I will put the link down to his channel in the description. So please check out his channel. Okay, he does some amazing reviews. So first, let's open this up. Okay, I got this. This is the bottle. Okay, Bogart fragrances are amazingly strong and they are specially for winter wear. Okay, and I've researched about this fragrance. This is a bottle. I like this bottle design. It's a little old school. It's a glossy black bottle, nice font. I love the bottle design. Okay, so Bogart fragrances are supposed to have amazing nuclear performance, but I haven't tried them at all. I just have one man show with me, which I will do a review on very soon, and it performs really well. So let's check it out how this smells. I like the sprayer, it's very nice. You definitely pick up some citrus note like orange blossom, lemon. Okay, it's definitely some sweetness and some spices in this fragrance. I'm very excited to test this out because this is supposed to have beast performance. It's easily lasting for up to 10 hours or 12 hours. I'm not sure. I'm very excited to do a full review on this one, give it more wear in the coming weeks and test this out properly. Next fragrance, which is my favorite from the House of Hugo Boss, the Scent Private Accord. It's from the Scent line. Okay, I think saw a review on this one from a fellow YouTuber Ash from Jensen's. I saw the review done by him and he said this has amazing chocolate and coffee note in this, with the Maninka fruit note, which is common, which ties all the scent flankers and all the scent line together. I'm very excited. I tried this in the mall before I bought this and it smelled really good. And the first thing came to my mind was wow, like yum. It tasted yum. So this is the bottle. It's very similar to all the other bottles in the scent line. I think the only difference is the coloration of the cap. This is a little more brown, chocolatey kind of a color, if I don't know, for lack of a better description. Let's see. I'm spraying this on this hand and there. Yes, if you love chocolate and if you love coffee, you are definitely going to pick it up in the opening. There is, I believe, a chocolate note. You immediately pick up the Maninka fruit in this, and the chocolate with the Maninka fruit, I think this is definitely a sensuous, sexy nighttime fragrance. Oh my god, this is really good. I think if you love chocolate and if you love coffee, you're going to love this. The Scent Private Accord. I will give this more wear. I will test it out more in the climatic conditions that we have here in Bombay, and I will do a full review on this on the channel. Let's move on to the next one. This is a flanker from the House of Dolce & Gabbana. From the one line, it's the one grey. this is the packaging. It's nice, silver, simple. Okay, the one line is very well known for its the one original ADT as a date night fragrance. By looking at this box and this bottle and the juice color, it seems like this is going to be a fresher take on the one original DNA. Let's check it out. This is a 50 ml bottle, by the way. Nice cap, nice heavy cap, nice bottle design, very simple. Let's see. 1, 2, and there you go. Yes, this is definitely a fresh fragrance, very clean, very pure. Yes, you can easily pick up, I think, the basil, that is tulsi ka patta that we know in Hindi, and it definitely has some coriander freshness, and there is this grapefruit, I think, in the background. Yeah, this is a very safe, I think you can call it's a very safe, clean, pure, fresh fragrance, and I think this will work well in the office. If I'm not wrong, I think they were aiming to, fill that gap in the one line with this one, so that this can be worn in warm weather and in office, more people pleasing, more accessible to everyone, more versatile. And the last one, Hugo Boss Just Different. Okay, Hugo Boss, there are two Hugo Bosses today here. I love Hugo Boss's fragrances a lot. They are not very good performers, but they have some really good hidden gems in their line. And the one different, sorry, not the one different, and Hugo Boss Just Different is, I think it's the more modernized version of the original Hugo Boss Man. I love the packaging, the black and the red. It's just very appealing, very nice, and my favorite color is black, so I'm a little biased. This is the bottle. It is the same flask design that the Hugo Boss Man and the other fragrances from this line come in. This is a 125 ml bottle. This is supposed to be a fresh fragrance, warm weather fragrance, just like the one grey, but a little different. So let's spray it over here on this hand. 1, 2, 3. There it goes. Yes, immediately you get that nice cool vibe. You pick up that mint and it's very cooling. It has that cooling effect, and you also get some I think you get something like apple. I think they have some green apple and some coriander also in here. So yes, this is another warm fragrance, very nice. It smells good. It's very different from the original The Man. I have the extreme version of the original Hugo Man in a tester. I've smelled that, and that is supposed to be a more fresh, spicy type of fragrance, and this is, I think, a more modernized version of it, and this is like a fresh, cool, sweet fragrance. So yeah, these are my 4 fragrances. These are my first impressions on these 4 fragrances, and I'm very excited to test these out in the coming days, and I will be very soon doing reviews on each of these, checking out how they perform and how much compliments do they get me when I'm wearing them. So that's it from me on the first impressions on all these 4 fragrances. My personal favorite, I think, is this one. Thank you, Ash from Jensen's, for recommending this. I know you love this fragrance, and being a coffee lover and a person who loves dark chocolate a lot, I love this fragrance a lot. Thank you so much, and till then guys, stay safe, stay home, smell you later, namaste.